Hi everyone, welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So we have already started the module number 3, which is 3D toolpaths and machining strategies, and we have covered the model area clearance, model rest area clearance, model profile, model rest profile, and the previous video we just discussed about the slice area clearance. So today we are going to start this slice profile, which is not different than the slice area clearance. It's very simple, just like the 2D profile curve. So let's get started. So in the previous video, we just discussed about this slice area clearance. So just similar to that, we need to load the first part. We'll go to examples, and this time I'm going to select as a die.dgk file. Click open. So, and you see that we have a die here, and what we are going to do is we are going to apply slice profile here. To create a slice profile, just go to Patterns, Curve Editors, go to Composite Curve, and select the desired area which we want to create a slice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this edge. So I selected this edge. It creates a composite curve around that. Just go to Save, click OK, and OK. Just rename it for better understanding. Slice pattern. Or we can say the slice profile pattern. Okay. Now it's time to set the block. Go to block, click calculate. Okay. We just hide the bad block. Okay. Go to Toolpaths, create toolpath, and go to 3D area clearance, and we have the slice profile. Click OK. Name this toolpath as a slice profile. Set the tool. So I'm going to use a 5mm end mill, which is a flat end mill. Just write 5mm flat end mill. Set the tool length 75 according to your desired result and desired tool which you have in your workshop. So you have to set this tool. Go to slice profile. Go to slice profile parameter settings, and what you have here is the boundary. So I have created a pattern. Just go and select the pattern. And if you want to set the tolerance, I have set the tolerance 0.01. I don't need any thickness. Step over is 2.5. And cut distance, I'm set to 0. I'm going to tell you after creating the slice profile and let you know how to set the cut distance. Do not change anything here. Just go to rapid moves, calculate it, go to links and lead and links. Set the links as a straight or step down and set as a skim. Go and check the feeds and speed. We have set it this feed and RPM is 5000. Current feed rate is 1500. Plunge feed is 150. And the skim feed is 3000. Set the coolant as flood. Click on calculate to get your results. So what you see over here, we have created a pattern on the surface. And this surface is going to be projected on that top side. Okay, let's go and simulate it. So this is how the slice profile works. Let's go and refresh it and set the cut distances. So it says there, number of horizontal cuts. So you have created a profile here and the toolpath which is on that profile. And is projected on the top of that thing. So I want to create horizontal toolpaths on this profile or on this toolpath. So you have to set the numbers. For example, I'm going to set the horizontal cuts 10 millimeters with a step over of 2.5 millimeter. So it will create 10 steps at 2.5 millimeters apart. Click calculate and see how it looks like. Click close. So go to top and you see that it creates 10 steps at an 2.5 millimeter apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how we can say that it's a horizontal number of cuts. Okay. You can increase it according to your needs. Let's go to Toolpaths, right click, Settings, Cut Distances, refresh it, set as 25. And here you see. Let's click Close. Go to Simulation, Toolpath, and click on Play button to simulate it. So this is how the slice profile cutting toolpath works. And if you want to create multiple toolpaths, you just need to set the number of cuts in horizontal direction. So I have set it the horizontal fractions cut 25. Create 225 toolpaths or steps at a part of 2.5 millimeters. And just slice that area on that surface. So I hope you understand how to create slice profile, and that's it for that 3D toolpaths. Thank you very much.